latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
The Union Health Ministry is undertaking several measures to ramp up testing and contact tracing across the nation. In a letter to states and union territories, Secretary in Health Ministry Rajesh Bhushan pressed for COVID-19 testing for street vendors. The Health Ministry has asked all states and union territories to test grocery shop workers, vegetable and street vendors. Street vendors and grocery store owners constantly come in contact with the general public and could be potential super spreaders. The Health Ministry noted that if cases go undetected, street vendors can potentially spread the virus to a large number of people. The Health Ministry has asked for strict monitoring of street vendors in high-risk zones. The testing in such areas must be taken up proactively as per the ICMR guidelines.
There can be potential hotspots for the spread of infection like industrial clusters with a closed work environment, people coming from high prevalence areas, other high density areas such as slums, prisons, old age homes, etc. In addition, grocery shops, vegetable and other vendors, etc. can be potential spreaders of infection to a large number of people.
Rajesh Bhushan stressed on the need for operationalizing ambulance transport system with oxygen facility and quick response mechanism. The Health Ministry noted that the early detection of cases will drastically help reduce infections.
Early detection of cases is the most crucial element to ensure that the case fatality is reduced. It helps in terms of not only identifying the case before it may become critical, but also supports in terms of checking the spread of infection.
With early detection of cases, the mortality rate can also be controlled. The Health Ministry noted that early detection of cases through aggressive testing, prompt isolation or admission in a healthcare facility, and ensuring proper clinical management are major components of mortality reduction. The Health Ministry has stressed on the enhanced surveillance of influenza-like illness and severe acute respiratory illness. The Health Ministry stressed on prompt contact tracing. Normally, a person would have an average of 30 contacts. 80% of the contacts must be identified as soon as a positive case is detected, and they must be isolated or quarantined within 72 hours. Rajesh Bhushan said availability of COVID-19 beds in all healthcare facilities must be strictly monitored. A communication mechanism between the patients and their family members must be organized. Adequate availability of oxygen-supported beds, ICU beds and ventilators will drastically reduce the mortality rate.